So, good day everyone. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself first. I'm Darvisa A. Hakim from Itilan ICT. So, my assigned topic is all about eco-literacy, making school learn, green school, and environmental education. So, Green School and ESP. The Green School is visualized as a school guided by the principles of environmental sustainability. It also seeks opportunities to conduct environment to fully utilize all resources and opportunities inside and outside the school and orient teachers and community. So it means Green School is a school that cares about the environment and teaches students to do the same. So there are 5 essential aspects of Green School. So the first one is it expresses cleanliness in various aspects of the environment, which means the school is clean, tidy, and has plenty of plants and trees. So the next one is it has clearly healthy, protective, and green surroundings, which means the school promotes physical and mental health through healthy food, clean water, and green surrounding. So the third one, it promotes both the physical and the psychosocial health of the learners and the others in schools. So the school provides health services like nutrition programs and counseling to support students' well-being. So the fourth one, it ensures a healthy provision of health services and clean classrooms, playground, and parks. So it means that students learn about and participate in taking care of environment, fostering a love for nature. And the last one is brings children closer to the nature and involves them in taking care of it. So the students learn about and participate in taking care of environment. So that would be all for the essential aspect of Green School. So let us proceed to characteristics of Green School. The first one is it protects health. So Green School prioritizes the health and well-being of students and teachers. So the next one is it increases student performance. It gives a better air quality, natural light, and comfortable learning environment. So the third one is it saves energy and money. So Green School, they are designed to energy efficient, reduces energy consumption, and saves money on utility bills. The fourth one is it reduces carbon emissions. By reducing energy consumption and by using renewable resources, Green School can reduce their carbon footprint and contribute to a cleaner environment. So the fifth one is it reduces water usage. So Green School often incorporate water-saving measures like rainwater harvesting to reduce water consumption. So next, it improves teachers' retention. The next one is it improves teacher retention. So Green School tend to have a higher teacher satisfaction and retention rates as they provide for more supportive and healthy work. So let's proceed to the next one. It improves daily attendance. So Green School see improved attendance rate as they provide more comfortable and healthy environment. So the second is it provides unique educational. So it offers hands-on learning experience and opportunity for students to engage with environmental education. The next is it creates green jobs. So opportunities in sustainability, energy and efficient environmental engagement. And the last one is it improves equity. So it access to spaces, healthy environment, and environmental education for all. So that would be all for my discussion. Thank you.